Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Tundra brake pads. First, gather your tools, a jack, lug wrench, and new pads. Safely lift your Tundra and secure it on jack stands. Then, remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for replacing your brakes. Next, you'll unbolt the two caliper guide pins, allowing the caliper to swing open. Gently slide out the old brake pads from their brackets. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any grooves or uneven wear. If the rotor shows significant damage, consider replacing it for optimal braking performance. Now, use a C-clamp to carefully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Install your new brake pads, ensuring any new hardware, like shims, are correctly placed. Finally, reattach the caliper and securely tighten the guide pins to the manufacturer's specifications. With the new pads in place, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Toyota Tundra. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Then, perform a low-speed test drive in a safe area to ensure proper braking function. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.